talk about sensitive but very important topic in our society. Some people who ask drugs be seen as criminal or as individuals who made a moral mistake. This is an important issue because there are two different ways of looking at drug use. Some people see it as a legal and moral problem, while others see drugs use as victim of stress, mental health issue, or difficult environment. Throughout this discussion, we'll try to explore how society, the government, and us individuals should respond to this issue. With drug use, deserve punishment, evidence, or compassion. Let's begin this discussion with open minds and open hearts because this is about justice, humanity, and our shared future. The member of discussion is, my name is Silvanus Gaswara Nugraha, NPM 240908555.
My name is Bagas Satarkin Ayung, number 240908559.
My name is Kalis Rita Tanis. My number is 8562.
My name is Yeskel Alexandro, NPM 8551.
Okay guys, my name is Alfredo, NPM 8029.
Okay, start from Team Pro.
I will start this discussion. In my opinion, on this topic, drugs are not only dangerous for people, but also have a big impact on the people around them. When someone is caught up in drugs, their families, friends, and social environment also feel the consequences. Relationship can become strained, trust is lost, and a sense of security is disturbed. Families have to feel emotional, financial, and even social burden due to the destructive behavior of drugs users. Children can lose role models, life partner are in anxiety, and friends feel like they have lost the people they used to know. More than that, drugs can damage the order of society because they trigger crime, violence, and the spread of negative culture. So drugs are not just personal problems, but a common threat that we must face with awareness, education, and real action. That's my opinion.
Okay, in my opinion, we disagree with your argument, bro. Because when someone uses drugs, we cannot automatically label them as morally bad or criminal. Drug users are divided into many categories, such as stress or depression, environmental influence, peer pressure, economic factor, mental barriers, trauma, or even a desire to responsibility. Many users also turn to drugs as an escape from the harmless of life.
Next opinion, okay?
Okay, thank you for your opinion. So, in my opinion, drug user can be considered to be a criminal.
Why?
Why? Because individuals can be unresponsibility about their life, about themselves, and about their society. For example, a person can buy drugs with money. So they have money with stole, maybe killing. So in Indonesia, there are 3.3 million people use narcotics and drugs. And even sadder, in the data, there are so much young generation, aged 15 until 27 years, in that number. The Indonesian government regulated drugs in article number 122 and 27, of law number 35 year 2009 concerning in narcotics, which stipulates that any use drugs is criminal. So, in addition to using drugs, getting money to buy drugs, like I'm talking that moment, they be a crime such as stealing, robbing, and even killing in that data. The National Narcotics Agency notes that in 2023, more than 60% in prison, people in prison, is case in narcotics and tested positive for drugs. That's my opinion.
Okay. Thank you for your opinion. My opinion is people who are addicted to drugs are not inherently bad. They are sick and need of medical help, not punishment. The World Health Organization recognizes addiction as a brain disease, similar to heart disease or diabetes. It would be unthinkable to jail diabetics for the condition. Yes, this is precisely what happened to drug addicts. Many avoid seeking help during overdose due to fear of arrest and family. Instead to get their loved one treatment because they worry about legal repression. Countries like Portugal have shifted from criminalization to treatment, resulting in a significant decrease in overdose death and drug use.
I'm sorry, my friend. Okay. Argue with your data comparison our country and Europe and America, especially Portugal and Netherlands. They do not allow drug users to freely use the thing, but they still have sanctions and must undergo mandatory counseling. The Netherlands government also limits use of light drugs such as marijuana and severely punish drug users. And if you look at drug users in Europe, they use drugs because can they buy it, and they have socialization when they are in teens or in children in school. So they understand how dangerous of drugs. So using drugs is irresponsibility for individual morals and ignoring social norms in society.
Wait. I want to add my opinion. I want to add from my opinion. Okay, I go to news. And the first news from Techno Republica entitled Impact of Environmental Damage due to Drug Production, which contains the disposal of toxic waste such as sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, and acetone. Synthetic production like plastic and amphetamines. It pollutes soil and water and disrupts local ecosystem. And the second, from Kopasiana, which contains drug addiction, significantly reduce the quality of life of family, including financial, emotional, social, physical, and mental aspects. Family members experience stress, conflict, social isolation, and economic pressure due to effort to cover medical and recovery costs.
That is supporting my FG.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I got it about me. If from a legal point of view in Indonesia, using drugs without a doctor prescription is indeed illegal. However, this rule is some everywhere in many countries, especially in Europe. The focus is more on rehabilitation than punishment. We should take a more compassionate approach because drug use is a complex issue. Drug users are always harmful to others, but addiction and irresponsibility can lead to criminal behavior. Often they are victims of tough situations themselves. So the concept of the harm principle advocates that as long as a person's action don't harm others, they should be considered immoral or criminal This means if someone uses drugs for personal reason without causing harm or to others, there's no moral reason to label it as wrong. That's my opinion.
Sorry. Concerning about your opinion and your issue with our issue, my team, yeah. In Indonesia, especially in Indonesia, we have a law concerning about a drug. So for a health or medical care, we have a law there, so we can use it freely. That's my argument.
Okay, I want to respond about your opinion. We understand that drugs use is often driven by complex factors such as life pressure, mental disorder, environmental influences, and economic problems. However, the fact that drugs have negative medical, social, and legal impact cannot be ignored. Normalizing drug use based on empathy, without discussing between victim and irresponsible active abuser has the potential to weaken human effort. Although some countries choose a rehabilitative approach rather than criminal punishment, the cultural context, level of protection, and richness of the rehabilitation system in Indonesia vary. In Indonesia, the impact of drugs not only harms individual but also improve family condition, increases crime rates, and disrupt society. Not a few crimes, such as theft, violence, and murder, occur due to the dependence that is not handled properly. A humanist approach is important, but it does not mean that we allow drugs use to become a personal choice that is free from social responsibility. In fact, with firm action balance with rehabilitation, we can save users and prevent leader damage. Therefore, eradicating drugs must remain a priority, not only for security, but also from the future and dignity of humanity itself. That's my opinion about you. Okay?
In my in my opinion, the issue of fairness in drug addiction treatment is varying. Those who harm only themselves should not face the same severe penalties as who harm others. Wealthy individually can access high-end rehabilitation facilities, while poor individuals often find terms in prison. This disparity highlights a form of discrimination within our justice system. It fights from countries such as Switzerland and the Netherlands. So that treating addiction as a health issue led to better societal outcomes, including reduced crime rates and safer communication. Moreover, many individuals in challenging environments such as poverty or employment turn to drugs as a means of escape. This underscores the importance of addressing the broader social issue that contribute to drug use rather than basing judgment on individualist action. Rehabilitation programs offer a pathway for recovery and reintegration into society, embracing healing over punishment, recognizing that addiction often stems for deeper physiological or social struggles.
Okay.
Sorry.
I support your opinion, bro. In my opinion, the changing landscape of drugs legality also reflects the shift in societal attitude in various countries, including some U.S. states like California and Colorado. Marijuana has been legalized for recreation or medical use. This indicates that the legality of certain drugs does not always align with moral approval. Within this legal framework, drug use is no longer viewed as a criminal action.
I'm done.
You? Okay.
I'm done.
And about me, looking at social conflict theory, drug abuse is often influenced by less social and economic factors. You know, for example, people living in poverty or in violent, stressful environment may be last opinion.
Okay.
Looking at social conflict theory, bro, yes, drug abuse is often influenced by race, social, and economic factors. For example, people living in poverty or in violent, stressful environments may be more prone to using drugs. From this perspective, drug use isn't just a moral issue, but also a reaction to social inequality. To find better solution, we need to address the underlying causes like poverty and social injustice, you know, rather than simply focusing on the behavior itself. That's it.
I'm done.
Okay. This is not my debate or my argue with your guys' opinion.
Yes.
So, we team say thank you for our discussion today. We realize that some parties agree that drug users are victims. They use it because of stress, socializing, and the economy stressful. So, thank you so much for today. And so,
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thanks for the opinion. Yes. So the conclusion of today is the issue of drugs is complex and cannot be judged in black and white. Well, drugs do cause serious harm to individuals, families, and society. Many users are actually victims of mental health struggle, social pressure on difficult life situation. Labeling all drug use as criminals or morally bad overlooks these deeper causes. Instead of focusing only on punishment, a more human approach for education, prevention, and rehabilitation. Has,
No, it's not about punishment. Bro.
Yeah. So, that is that.
has proven more effective in reducing drug-related harm. Treating drug use as a health issue, not just a crime, offers a more just and sustainable solution for both individuals and society.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you. Thank you for opinion. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you, Roderick. Thank you guys.